This is Nissan Ariya Nismo, and I'll show you how to easily turn on the air recirculation mode and explain when to use it. So let's start from the very beginning, which is the main screen. Here we need to go to the climate control center, so use this icon in the bottom left corner, right here. When we click on this icon, we have access to all the air conditioning options, and one of these options is the air recirculation mode. Right now it's set to automatic, so if the car decides it wants to turn on the recirculation mode, it will do so automatically. But we can click a few times until the car icon with an arrow pointing inside lights up. And that means we've just manually activated the air recirculation mode. When we turn it on, the car stops drawing air from outside and instead recirculates the air that's already inside. When should we use this? Definitely when we're stuck in traffic behind a smoking truck, or when we want to cool down or heat up the interior very quickly. It's worth using the internal air recirculation for a short period of time. So that's all. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.